looks like the frozen ice on the rocks looks like candle wax when it's burned and drip all over the place.
Yeah. Franklin Roosevelt Bridge.
This bridge has been traveled for many years by many people. And unfortunately, we cannot get to the other side of Poughkeepsie without going over a bridge. And this is the bridge that we are closest to, the Mid-Hudson Bridge. Well, they did a little conversion that works a little better. They removed the toll. So now it's easier and faster to cross the bridge. Thank God for, was it Pataki? I don't know, for some governor who wanted people to visit New York without delaying or without delays. And he did it. You don't have to stop at a toll booth anymore. You just drive on through. But just know, if you don't have your Easy Pass, you will get a letter in 30 days, or your license might be suspended if you don't pay it. And that's the convenience you get from driving to New York.